To fix the problem where your Nintendo Switch 2 console doesn't power on, then you can try one thing. Or actually two things, but the second thing is the last measure, I would say. So what you need to do is, let's say that I have an entirely dark screen on my device. It doesn't want to power on. So look for the power button right here. Click and hold this button for around 20 seconds or longer than 20 seconds. After that, wait a few seconds, like 5 seconds, and press on the power button once, which will kind of soft reset your console, and maybe it will turn on. Alternatively, you can also try to charge it. So charge it overnight, or just try to charge it for a few hours and then try to power it on. Now, if both of the things didn't help, I strongly recommend to just call the support for your Nintendo Switch and see if they can resolve this issue. If not, then you will need to actually repair it in some certified technician shop or something like that. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.